Show you what I've actually built within my Claude platform. Um, because as a solopreneur doing content for other people, it's kind of hard to remain consistent myself. And most of the time, I don't want to use stuff from my content calendar that I've already built out. I want to do what's trendy, some new article, respond to some new article out there, or respond to another creator out there. So what I've actually done is just build my own content engine posting tool here. And again, I have it within my Claude because I've been working with it for months. It knows my brand, my audience, my voice. So this is my actual tool. It's HTML based and it runs within Claude. These are the 3 channels that I use the most. So let me go out here and find a URL. I'm going to use a URL, or I could have chosen a topic. I'm going to put the URL here. And these are, what angle? I'll go contrarian. Now, as it's generating the content from my post, is thinking about, again, my audience, what I've put into the back end for it. I also wanted to give me an image prompt so that I can generate an image for this particular post. Now, again, I can do an actual image, or I've also put some templates down here just in case I want a word-based type of image, right? So this quote is actually coming from this post, or I can do a tip card, your call to action card down here or something like that. But let me show you what happens when I click to generate this actual image prompt right here. I use ChatGPT because it's faster for me to do that. That's how I use it. You could actually copy this and use it with any within any platform that you want to use it in, whether that's Dolly or something like that. So it opens up my ChatGPT just by clicking tab and enter. It already has the actual image prompt within it, and you see my ChatGPT is doing its thing. Okay, so, and again, let's think about if I actually wanted to remix it. And what I mean by a remix here is if I want to use it for my business Facebook or just my personal Facebook. And within here, what I've done for my personal Facebook, I've taken out like most of the business jargon and made it relatable for my actual audience itself within my personal Facebook. And then for my personal Facebook as well, I can get the same visual templates if I wanted to. And this, of course, is based off of the post that's right here. That's what I do. That's how I do my particular content for my post. And it actually has okay, it's already, and I can, of course, download this, add it to the post, and do it that type of way. So, yay. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been doing behind the scenes and what I actually do to try to stay consistent and keep up with the trends and what's happening outside of my whole content calendar. And honestly, now I got to remember to put this in a content calendar to get it scheduled. Of course, I'll just use Meta Business for that.